video is orange approved.
What a lovely fall day!
Oh, it's my favorite time of year. The garden is no longer safe.
The crazy guy with the chainsaw keeps mowing us down.
Oh, well, we're too pretty, and honeybees love us, so nothing's gonna happen to us.
That's right! We bring too much joy to the garden to be chopped down. We'll see about that.
Oh, he's back for more.
We are all going to die.
Oh, it's gonna be good. We have a great view from up here.
Time to bring out the popcorn.
Yummy! Cousin Larry is delicious!
No! That's a colossal!
Oh no! It's a chainsaw! So long, sunshine! Oh boy! Oh wow! It's a chainsaw! Oh my! Oh, golly! So glad that's over. Oh, we survived another day. Huh? What's that? Oh my God! That's a lawnmower! Oh!